Well, I think most people, I think if you look it up in Webster's dictionary, joy is like a momentary happiness of a feeling. Whether you're at you know, whether it's a sunny day or whatever, or you're out in the park, or you may have some joy feelings about that. This joy is fully different. The joy that we talk about in the book is not that end all happiness for a couple minutes. Our joy really is the journey of life. And if you structure yourself properly, like Finding Joy talks about, and it's built on 4 principles. It's built on mindset, how you think. Are you growth mindset or you fixed mindset? Identity. Who are you? How do you greet the world, right? How much respect do you have in yourself to show the world, right? So identity, branding. We go into a lot of branding, personal branding, how you look, how you act, how the world receives that, right? Time is the 3rd pillar of the framework of joy. And we talked about time quite a bit. And the final direction is direction. Where do you want to end up in your life? If today was your last moment of life and you actually knew that, how would you want to spend that? Or better yet, project yourself 20 years down the road and say to yourself, and create that image of where you want to be in 20 years, and then look back on your life and say, what would I need to change right now to get there? And honestly, and without criticism, I'm guilty of the same thing. We don't do that in our lives because of one word: busy. We all get so busy that we don't recognize how fast time is flying by. And busy doesn't move you forward, right? Busy does not move your life forward. It just keeps you busy. So finding joy really comes down to, are you life-led? Are you job-led?